Hey guys, Cameron here at Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and today we're going to show you how to make our scrumptious mushroom appetizer on the Parrilla Grill. Alright, this is a really easy cook, won't take too long at all. First things first, we're just going to de-stem our portabella mushrooms. We have already peeled them just to neaten them up. You can wash them with some more water, never submerge them. Okay, they're just a sponge in that case. So we're going to de-stem. We're going to chop up some sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to just roughly tear some basil. I personally think dicing it up too small and it's going to get a bit lost. It's nice to get some pops of basil. Some ricotta, and then once we've finished with them on the grill, it shouldn't take too long. We're essentially just warming things up. We'll just drizzle a bit of balsamic reduction, some salt. There we have it. After about 20 minutes on the grill, just gentle heat, just essentially bringing everything up to temperature. We're going to add some balsamic glaze, black pepper, some salt, and dig in. Should be tasty. Now it's time to dig in. Not the classiest way to eat them, but they are very nice. Well, that's all it takes, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and the full recipe is in the description below. Cheers.